Welcome to week 9 of our course. You've now completed the first half of our course and it's time for the second draft submission. And we'll talk about that at the end of our lecture here. We're going to continue talking about our staffing as risk management. Your staffing decisions directly impact the following. Underqualified staff increase liability exposure. Inadequate supervision leads to preventable accidents. Poor training creates dangerous situations, and high turnover compromises program quality. To demonstrate an integration, you need to ask the following question. How does your hiring process ensure qualified emergency responders? How does training support your risk management objectives? How do performance evaluation ensure ongoing competencies? How does your staffing plan ensure adequate supervision? So let's talk about our major assignment this week. We have our second draft. So our step 1 is go back and look at my feedback and make sure you incorporate the feedback and make the changes in your other drafts. So that would be, we're going to integrate, we're continuing to build on from our previous draft. So you include your material from your first draft with this and make any changes to that draft that I said. Then you're going to integrate your staffing plan from assignment 6. You integrate your training program from assignment 7. Then integrate your risk management plan from assignment 8. And then you also include this week's material on creating a supplement and organic aids section. So you're going to create member educational materials and build referral resources. Again, there's directions in the class for this. So what you're going to turn in is all the material I just said, revised from draft 1, and then you'll have these sections 4, 5, and 6, and 7, which I just talked about, the comprehensive staffing plan. And the page numbers, I'm not sure what that's going to be, so don't get caught up on that. Section 5, staff training and professional development. Section 6, risk management and legal compliance. And Section 7, professional scope and practice of supplement policies. And that's this week's. And we have a whole bunch of appendices now. Make sure that you have all these appendices. Each appendix should start on a new page. Make sure everything looks professional. And again, we're assuming that you can actually use this operation manual that you're developing to actually run a program. So that's the goal here. And this week you'll be reading chapter 8 of Courage and Calling, and we'll have our reflection discussion board assignment with that this week. As always, if you have questions, please feel free to reach out to me.